I'ma attempt to push one. Did you see it? Did you see it?
Oh, I don't know. Get back. I'll take it later. I can just take it right now because I want to go take a shower in a little bit, Keith.
They're running. Wait.
Keith, just stop it. Come on, I don't want Grandma yelling right now. Just let them go outside. They don't need to be fighting in here. Yeah, they do this all the time. A lot of times they do this in the morning, but I usually break them up.
Well, leave them.
Keith, Grandma said to stop it. Stop. I don't want their fur flying all over the place. Stop it. That's enough.
No, stop. Mom, leave.
Allie.
Mom, stop. Mom.
Keith, Grandma said to stop. Somebody come over today and look at the house, so she doesn't want the cats destroying the house, fighting all over the place.
He's hiding like a pussy.
You're making me mad now. They've been doing it long enough. Stop.
Shut up, Clarissa. Stop.
I do not want to be late for work today, and I have to Grandma has to take me to drop my car off. And I want to get in the shower.
There's no way out!
Who closed that? Who closed that?
Stop! Mom!
I don't want
It's over.